This is the C machine. Again, you can see that it's still wrapped up like it was when we got it. It's got a couple of little stanchions here. It's just folded down there for travel. Everything was covered and protected. And they actually left the C machine loaded in the cassettes when they shipped it to us. See, it's been well taken care of. It's not dented. No marks on it. This is it. They're not powered up. We never have gotten them powered. We just watched them run. I'm not sure if you're talking about these shafts in the C machine, but these are 1.5 inch shafts. I'm not really familiar with these things, and when you say stations, I'm assuming you're talking about all those stations through there. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stations. I'm not sure exactly what you're referring to. So you got these 3 spots on the end. I know it does different sizes. Some of the parts are back in there still in the boxes. That's the one place to operate it. And the oiler's on the back. And that is in regards to the C machine. Again, those shafts are 1.5 inch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like 10 or 11 stations, if that's what